Hi everyone, today's video topic is Redmi Note 9 Pro test. This is the Redmi Note 9 Pro 6GB and 128GB, but if you want you can buy it 6GB and 64GB.
I buy 128GB for $220 and now is $250, but the 64GB is now around $210. I buy the Entrestellar Grey and it looks so good. The over left camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The over right is 64 megapixel primary camera. This is the 5 megapixel macro camera. And the last one is 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. The fingerprint is located in the right side and also here is the volume buttons. The fingerprint is working too fast and this is very positive. On the left side there is the SIM card place. It is around 200 grams.
The screen size is 6.67. On the underside there is one 3.5mm jack, one Type-C turbo fast charger and the microphone. And also here is the speakers. This is the results of CPU test. These are Geekbench score and Antutu score. As you see, the single core score is 568 and the multi-core score is 1746. And the Antutu score is 274,094. For this price these results are very nice. This is the 64 megapixel main camera. This photography taken in the portrait mode. And this is the photography which taken by the macro camera. This is Redmi Note 9 Pro night mode photography. And we come to the end of video. Today's video is a small, but a day or 2 days later I upload a new PC build video. Do not forget to subscribe and like my video.